Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech India. This is lecture 7 for the series Computer Networking. So in this video we will discuss our topic transmission modes. So transmission modes, the way in which the data is transmitted from one device to another device is known as transmission mode. Data transmission mode defines the direction of the flow of information between two communication devices. So basically in this we have to understand how data is transmitted from one devices to another and in which direction it is getting transmitted. Suppose we can understand like there are two systems, system 1 and system 2. System 1 is placed suppose in Delhi and system 2 is placed in Mumbai. We are able to understand like data is flowing between these two, but we have also to understand the direction of flow if data transmission is from Delhi to Mumbai or from Mumbai to Delhi. So we have to understand all these things and we will be able to understand and identify in data transmission modes. The transmission mode is also known as the communication mode. These modes direct the direction of flow of information. The transmission mode is defined in the physical layer. The transmission mode is divided further into three categories. First one, simplex mode. Second one, half-duplex mode. Third one, full-duplex mode. Now we will discuss one by one all these three types, that is simplex mode, half-duplex mode and full-duplex mode. So let's start with simplex mode. Simplex mode. Simplex is the data transmission mode in which the data can flow only in one direction. That is, the communication is unidirectional. If you are sending data from system A to system B, then the data will be sent from system A to system B only, not from system B to system A. I hope you get the scenario. Let me just try to make it little clear. Suppose this is system A and this is system B. If data is flowing in this manner, then it will not be able to flow in this manner. This is called simplex mode, where data can flow in unidirection only. A device can only send the data but cannot receive it, or it can receive the data but cannot send the data, as we have just seen with the example. If device A is sending the data, it will not be able to receive the data. That's it. The simplex node is used in the business field as in sales that do not require corresponding reply. You may have seen multiple things like broadcasting message. The sender will send the message, but you will not be able to reply. The radio station is simplex channel as it transmits the signal to the listeners, but never allows them to transmit back. This is also simplex mode. The main advantage of the simplex mode is that the full capacity of the communication channel can be utilized during the transmission, because only we are using the communication for sending the message only. So full capacity will be utilized there, because we are not waiting for any reply or corresponding message. Communication is unidirectional, so it has no intercommunication between the devices. Now half-duplex mode. In half-duplex channel, direction can be reversed, such as the station can transmit and receive the data as well. Messages flow in both the direction, but not at the same time. I will show you the example of it as well. In half-duplex mode, it is possible to perform the error detection, and if any error occurs, then receiver requests the sender to retransmit the message or data. A walkie-talkie is an example of half-duplex mode. In walkie-talkie, one party speaks and another party listens. After a pause, other party speaks and first party listens. So let me just try to explain with example. So you can see, suppose this is machine A or system A, this is system B. So if system A is sending message to system B, then system B cannot send the message to system A at the same time. But once this message is sent, then system B can also send the message to system A. So this is the complete flow of half-duplex. So let me repeat again. If system A is sending message to system B, at the same time when this message is being sent, system B cannot reply to it. But once this message is sent and it has been received, it is like we can say the transmission of this message is complete, then system B can also send the message back to system A. This is half-duplex. But in case of simplex, this feature was also not available over there. So this is complete half-duplex mode. Main advantage of half-duplex mode is that both the devices can send and receive the data and can also utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel during the transmission of the data. They will be able to utilize the entire bandwidth, because if system A is sending, system B will not send any message. So complete utilization will be by this machine only. But when system B sends the message, it will not send any message. So now the full capacity will be used by system B only. This is half-duplex mode. Now one disadvantage of half-duplex mode is that when one device is sending the data, another has to wait. This causes the delay in sending the data at the right time. So yeah, there is this disadvantage. Now full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. Data flow in both the directions. Both the station can send and receive the message simultaneously. Full duplex mode has two simplex channels. One channel has traffic moving in one direction and another channel has traffic flowing in opposite direction. So in this, you can easily understand you will be able to send the message in both the direction. Like if A is sending message to B, it can also send to A at the same time. The full duplex mode is the fastest mode of communication between the devices because it doesn't need to wait. If the message sent by A is transmitted or not, still B can send the message. The most common example of full duplex mode is a telephone network. When two people are communicating with each other by a telephone line, both can talk and listen at the same time. Advantage is that both the stations can send and receive the data at the same time. Disadvantage of full duplex is if there is no dedicated path exists between the devices, then the capacity of the communication channel is divided into two parts. So if they have two paths, then it is fine. But if they have just one path, it will be utilized by both the machines. So the capacity will be divided into two parts and ultimately it will lead to latency. So the data transfer will become slow if there is no dedicated path between the devices. So this was a disadvantage, like if there is no dedicated path exist between the devices, then the capacity of the communication channel will be divided into two parts. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great learning.